Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pie at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold unsalted butter, and a ½ teaspoon of salt for the crust. For the filling, choose your favorite fruits, like 4 cups of sliced apples or berries. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The secret to a flaky pie crust lies in cold butter and minimal handling. Start by mixing 2½ cups of flour with a ½ teaspoon of salt. Cut in 1 cup of very cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Then, slowly add about 6 to 8 tablespoons of ice water, just enough to bring the dough together. Divide it in half and chill for at least 30 minutes. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pie. Roll out 1 chilled dough half on a lightly floured surface to about a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it to your 9-inch pie plate. Pour in your fruit filling, mounding it slightly in the center. Roll out the second dough half and place it over the filling. Trim the edges, leaving about a 1-inch overhang, then crimp to seal beautifully. To achieve that perfect golden brown crust, make sure to cut a few vents in the top of your pie. This allows steam to escape, preventing a soggy crust. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 40 to 50 minutes until the crust is deeply golden and the filling is bubbling. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.